They have no ego issues like the others have. I don't want to take the name, but the pharmacists have better communication with the people. That's why, and we have the expertise about technology, about biology, about molecules, about the physiology. So we can definitely change the thing. We can guide like a teacher about diet, about the exercises, about sleeping behaviors. All the lifestyle things can be changed widely by the pharmacist if the government, the society can understand. We are not the people who care about the discrimination. From the starting of this career, the pharmacist have to listen like you are studying B.Pharm. Oh, compounder what about it? We don't care about these discriminations. We only care about the health and wellness. That's why a pharmacist can change this, and that's I believe, and everyone should. And if you notice if you navigate through the problems today, the lifestyle problems, you can only find that there is only one solution. That is the holistic thing, the holistic approach to cure disease. It's not about just curing a disease. Like you have a fever, you are taking some paracetamol. No, it's about holistic. You have to foster a lifestyle which is intended for better lifestyle, better which can prevent disease. And the West is saying this from last decade, but we are Indians. We are the mother of Ayurveda, the mother of Siddha, and we are the mother of holistic approach. And we can definitely change this thing. We can definitely change this scenario with the more awareness, like this approach of the Digi College of Pharmacy, we can change. And about discrimination, I would like to say that we pharmacists are discriminated a lot, and about that I would like to quote a doha from Sant Kabir कि जाति ना पूछो साधु की पूछ लीजिए ज्ञान, जाति ना पूछो साधु की पूछ लीजिए ज्ञान, बोल करो तलवार का, खड़ा रहने दो